The service in this industry is huge, because if we have clients that are broken down on their machines, and a lot of them will, in harvesting time, will be in the evenings or at night, if they can't get back up and service at that time, then they'll be looking somewhere else. So the competition for that is strong. So we sell new and used tractors, and we provide the service for the repairs for those tractors and the parts. So essentially it's just like a car dealership, except it's a tractor dealership. And at our dealership here we have about just under 20 staff members, and overall between the three branches we've got about 35 staff members. Once we expanded to a different branch, the networking became a little bit harder, and the style of computers and software that we had in that stage really wasn't suited for the network. And I think that about that stage I inquired with Advance and asked them about cloud-based service.
I did about a month's worth of just going in and talking to Graham, finding out how he actually runs his business. He's been looking for a number of 2 to 3 years at replacing that software, and couldn't really find anything that suited his business, which is where we started introducing Graham to Microsoft Dynamics and field services.
We might have a client that rings up and says, I've got a problem with my tractor. It generally comes for new clients and new machines, it generally comes via the salesman. And the salesman might be out on the field and he might forget to give us that job. But at the same time, the client might be also speaking to a mechanic or the parts guys, and we end up having duplicates, or we might end up not having a job at all. And that's always been a concern.
So since adopting the Microsoft Dynamics solution, they've seen improvement in their scheduling. Also being able to see where their technicians are and what they're actually doing at any one point in time. They've got access to the software on mobile platform as well. Previously, their older system was only available on their computers at the office. So they're mobile ready.
Once they see what I'm talking about in practice, they're great. They can't believe how easy it is to do our administration jobs, and we're getting faster and faster at that every week. And so are our technical guys who don't like to touch computers. I can show them now that they don't have to ask me or anybody else in the office a question to find out what the answer is. They can do that on their phone or their tablet. That's the part that interests me. That's the part that will pick up efficiencies. So Dave was on the ball right from the start, and I was really happy with that. And our guys are really excited of what the future will hold for us to make our efficiencies improve. And I'm really excited about that too.